Alrighty, so the rudder elevator. It's like that was a tease. Okie, so that little slot is for this baby. The servo. But not that one. Another one. Basically a little border here. You have some of this to keep the wing on an angle like this. One wing, another wing. Keep it at an angle. Dihedral. All my cables. My bottom, I have to cover that. I don't have the solar panel there no more. I'm gonna have one LED there, one LED there, one LED there, 4 down here in total. One there, one there, one there, one there. 4 down there, one here, one here. So this is how it's looking at. Looking good. And bam! Holy cow. That is actually taller than me, I think. By the way, this is made out of barbecue skewers. And now the only thing that I have here basically is this whole dock, which is made out of popsicle sticks. I have a whole bunch of those. I have plenty more. Plenty more. I already have a video of covering up the front of the wing, making it nice and tight, so if it hits something, nothing's gonna happen to it. I have my one little support. I had one there, but I had to install my servo, and I glued it in place there, like I'm holding it just by the servo. I glued it on the sides, and I made a little slot in there because I didn't wanna cut the end right here. I didn't wanna cut that thing. I had 2 holes, so I cut a little slot with the knife and slid it in there. Oh, I put some hot glue by the outside, and then when I pushed it in, the hot glue went in, so it's nice and tight there. That's not going nowhere. Some popsicle sticks. I need to make one of those and put it over here, because I have one over here, but I had to cut it out because of the servo. So let's see how it fits. It just slides. The piece that sticks out at the bottom just slides right in there. Bam. All it takes is some rubber bands to hold it down in place. Damn it, the shit was hot. Oh well, happened to me quite a while already. So yeah, that's the airplane, and this is how it looks. It looks like it has dihedral. And this is because it's on the bed, but it's even. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Good job. It's kind of awesome. I need to cover that on the side there, and on top. It's basically the whole wing. This is gonna work by one stick going in by the outside. I still need to make my ailerons. I don't know how I'm gonna make them. I don't think I'm gonna make them close. I think I'm gonna make them out here. And then, basically that's it. One servo for both ailerons, even though it's a really big wing. Let's see if we get this on the film here. Tuck in there. It's almost tall. Like, it's taller than me, basically. Because if I were to straighten it out, it would be taller than me. But look where it reaches me, it's on the floor. It's huge. I have some epoxy, and that's my controller box. And now it's gonna hold down with some rubber bands right there, right over here, right. Let's see if we can get on the film right there and right there. Two rubber bands, one going like this, one going like that, and then me hooking one up there around the outside, one up over here around the outside, and this pulling it straight across. So 3 rubber bands to hold down the wing in total. Here by the outside, I'm gonna have a little push rod going out to the other one, and another one going out to this one. So when it turns like this, that one goes down and this one goes up because it's pushing it. So it pushes it, it goes down, and this one comes up. When it's doing this, when it's facing this way, that one's gonna be down, this one's gonna be up. That's gonna let the plane roll like that, but it's not gonna flip because it's too big. It's too big of a plane. So it's just gonna roll nice and good. It's gonna bank. And then my rudder is gonna be, I'm gonna have a servo. I have one more. I actually have 2 more. I have 3 more actually. And I only need 2 more. Oh, 1 if I have this one. This one I'm gonna drop down right down in here. Drop it down with my control arm. The control arm that I need to buy. They're cheap, they're like $2. It's just gonna be not like that, just 1 basically. Just having 1. And then it's just gonna turn this way. And then it'll pull the rudder left and right, and then I'll have one on the side with the 1, not like that, with just 1, like I'm gonna have this one stick, and then when it goes this way, it's gonna go up, and when it goes this way, it's gonna go down. Basic, simple. And I need to get some servo extenders, servo leads, servo extenders to extend the servo. And basically all my wire, all my lights are in there. So this airplane is coming out beautiful. That is really cool. It's actually bigger than the plane. It's supposed to be bigger than the plane by like, people make it bigger than the plane by like 4 or 5 inches. And other people make it bigger than the plane by, I think it's like 3 or 4 feet. And I have going on here with, I mean, if you straighten this out, and you straighten the wing out, look, that's how it looks. So it's not much bigger. Not that big. Compared to my hand, it's not that big. It's like 2 hands. So yeah, it's not that big, but it's perfect for this airplane because it's a big airplane. And now all I need to do is get my motor, and that'll be it. My motor, and that's it. And my ESC and my receiver. And then, oh, anyways, I don't need a receiver because I have my sexy, bam, booyah, booyah, no, booyah, whatever. It's sexy, isn't it? It's sexy. Bam. I have all my airplanes saved onto this controller. Now it says champ. My champ is right here. This is my RC champ. As you guys can see right there, it's my champ. And then this is the other one. Bam! And then I have the other one saved. Right now, if I put a battery in that one, it'll connect to the champ. Right there is my other airplane. I have some spare props. I have one spare prop and two little adapters for the nose. And I have another prop. My rechargeable batteries, but I'm using Energizers now and they're working fine. And then when those die, I'm gonna have to start recharging them. So basically that's it. This is the airplane that I have lots of videos on. Yep. So it's coming out nice. Basically the only thing I need now is my landing gear, which I am not gonna do today. It's like 12 o'clock at night already. 12, no 1. Right, let me find it. Oh, look at the time. It is 1:10. Bam. Bam. Oh, snap. It is 1:10. My G-Shock is being stupid. It shows 105. It's not 105. Oh yeah, that time's right then. This time's wrong. Only if I'm that tired. Yep. It's 1:10 here and it's 105 on my watch, and my watch is right. But my watch is dying, cause look, when I push the G-Shock to light up, it goes blank, and then it appears. Push it, goes blank. The light's on basically, supposedly, and then when the light turns off, it goes back on. I need to get batteries for it. So this is the airplane. Sexy, homemade, straight homemade, out of barbecue skewers wrapped in Dollar Tree foam board and some popsicle sticks. This is what you can make with that much. A little bit better soon. Beautiful airplane. Alrighty, so peace out.